In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a virtual desktop in Azure Cloud. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to portal.azure.com and then log into your account like you usually would. Then from here, it should look something like this once you get inside of the account. Once from here, you'll need to go up to the Search, Resources, Service, and Docs, and go up here and click in Azure Virtual Desktop, like so. Once from here, you'll see under Services, you'll be able to see Azure Virtual Desktop, and you'll simply need to click on that. Once from here, you'll need to go over and see that you'll need to create a host pool, and to do that, you'll simply need to click on this blue icon down here. Once from here, you'll be able to go down to create a pool and go over the basics, the session hosts, workspaces, management tags, and review and create. Once from here, you'll need to choose a subscription, where you'll need to choose the specific subscription that you want to add it into, and of course the resource group. From here, you'll need to name the host pool and add a location for this host pool. You'll also need to add a validation environment, preferred add group type, and of course, lastly, host pool details, where you'll need to add the type of this host pool, where you can choose either pooled or personal. Once from here, you'll simply need to go over to session host, where you can add a virtual machine if you want to do that. And if you click yes, you can click start on creating your own virtual machine inside of the host pool. You can also add workspaces if you want to do that, management if you want to do that. You can add tags so you can quickly search it up. And lastly, you can review and create it. Once from here, you'll simply need to review and create, and then click create to create this virtual desktop inside of Azure Cloud. From here, you'll be able to assign users inside of the application group section, where you can assign users or groups from your Excel entry ID to grant them access to the desktop. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!